What's up, my bandits? Welcome to another epic vlog. Today we're going to be reviewing 10 random iPhone cases that I picked up online, and all of them are set up to fit this iPhone XS. Now currently I have a clear case on this iPhone, just like that, clear, and I'm not happy with it. I don't like it, so I'm gonna toss that way, and we're gonna start one by one and see which case is good, which case is not good, and which case I get stuck with after going through these 10 that I have right here. So let's go one by one. We're gonna go with this first Supreme style iPhone case. Check it out, Supreme! Let's pop this open. This thing is quite simple, nothing too crazy. Let's slide the iPhone into this thing and take a look at it. That's not too bad, guys. Fits pretty good. Not bulky at all. I don't mind it. I like the look. If you guys like, if you're into Supreme, this thing is actually a decent pickup. So this is definitely going into the plus or thumbs up pile. Let's pop that there. Next iPhone case we got over here is this. Oh, this one's got like a little stylus pen that comes with. Let's unbox this thing. See what it's all about. Got a little stylus pen. I don't know if I'm into these things. Let's pop the case open and see what this one's all about. Now let's pop the phone into it first of all. See how that fits. All right, not too bad. Check it out, dudes. Blue is not a bad look. Blue with the black, it goes quite well. Look at the front there. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice, guys. I don't mind it at all. Now the back of it does have a little bit of a extra thing here. I think this is for, I guess this case can be used if you're into watching a lot of media on your phone, because see, you can pop this open just like that. You can set up the phone this way and you know, watch it hands-free. Watch any of your YouTube or any kind of stuff, your GunVsGun videos hands-free on the phone. So yeah, that's the only, and the other thing is you get the stylus pen with it, so I guess you can kind of use that as well. I don't know if there's an area to store this stylus pen, and from what I see, no. Maybe you can clip it on here, I doubt it. But anyways, put this down here. So they gave you a stylus pen, but can't really store it anywhere, so I don't like it. As far as the case goes, I'm not into watching media on my phone. I either grab my laptop or watch it on my TV down there, so don't think I'm gonna be using this case that much. So this one goes into my thumbs down area. So let's move on to the next one. Next iPhone case is this. Look like a flip case. It's got a little bit of a protection pouch on the front. Let's slide the phone into this and see how the phone looks with it on. Take a look there. Oh yeah, this is another sticker. Peel that off. All right, so this is kind of like a business look where your phone, now this case also is set up so you can flip it around and, you know, watch media with it. How does that work? Let's see if that works. Oh, it tilts out of here. Interesting. So you set it up just like so. Ooh. So you set it up just like this. This is an interesting case, interesting setup. Yeah, this case will go into my thumbs down pile. Not a fan of it, but something for you to look at and keep an eye on if that's something you're into, a business look. Next case we're looking at is this lime green almost color. Let's pop the phone into it. A little bit harder to pop the phone in, slide it in. It's got a nice look to it. It looks kind of high tech. The front isn't too bad either. It's got all black front. Back again has a little flip out. Yeah, so this is another kind of flip out where you can just watch your movies with it. Just flip it out hands free. I don't know if I like this. Again, I'm not into watching media on my phone, so the back is kind of definitely cool. It's got a little techie look to it, but it's definitely a thumbs down for me pile. Next case, what do we got here? Protection case. Protective case, that's all it says on it. I don't know who made it, but let's pop it open. See what kind of protection it gives us. All right, here we go. Okay, this color is quite interesting. Check that out. Let's you guys see it on here. It's gold color. Let's slide the phone into it and see what comes out of that. Now the phone is definitely harder to slide on with this case. I don't know if I like that. It's definitely tight. All right, so as you see now, it's got that little bit of a gold color to it. What do we have here? This thing you can pop out. Okay, so you can kind of hold your phone this way. Definitely not been interested in doing that. So I guess this also can help you set it up on an angle if you really wanted to and watch your media again. And it's like a pop socket. You can put your finger right through it and I guess hold the phone and it won't fall out of your hands. So pretty cool. Not for me. Moving on. Slide this thing open. I don't like it when I have to actually use force to get my case off the phone. Not a good thing. All right, next case. What do we got here? What do we got here, dudes? What color is this one? This is a purplish color to it. It's definitely got a nice little silicone texture to it, feel to it. It's not too bad. The front, pretty standard looking. Again, in the back, this one as well has a little bit of I guess you can slide a finger through this as well, just like the other one. Very similar. Can you actually set up your phone and watch stuff? Sure you can. Yes you can. So similar to the other one, not into it. What do we got here? Oh dude, this case is something different. Check it out. This is that waterproof style case, whereas you can pop in your phone and this is definitely a useless case for the phones that are actually waterproof, like certain new ones that came out. But if you have an older style phone and you want it to be, you want to take some pictures underwater, you would slide in your phone just like that, lock this thing, and there it is. It's a little bit chunky. I've seen people with these. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. Personally, if you want to take pictures underwater, just get a GoPro. Don't use your phone that's not waterproof. If you have a phone that's waterproof, obviously use that. But this is definitely clunky. Now you do get 2 for 1. You get a white and a black color with it. Pretty cool. But am I a fan of it? No. You also get these little straps so you can strap it right through there and kind of hold it, or maybe put it on your neck if you wanted to access your phone quicker. Not for me. Plus, this phone is waterproof, so I don't really care about that. All right, let's move on to the next case. What do we got here? What's inside here, dudes? Check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, so far, we have like one Supreme case that I like. Everything else is on the thumbs down pile. Let's see what we have here. This one looks pretty cool. Let's pop this thing open. All right, look at the back, guys. The back is wood. The back of this is actual wood. So let's put this, let's put the phone inside it. It's got a nice look to it. Check it out, all black front, okay? But when you slide it over to the other side, check it out. Wood. Wood grain, bros. Pretty fancy. Now this is cool. I like this. I don't know what this design is all about. It looked like a dragon from far, but it actually just looks like almost like a wave. Check that out. It looks like a wave. But it's wood. I like it. I like this case. Is it easy to slide off? Not really. Not really, dudes. Oh, come on, bro. There. Let's put this in the thumbs up pile. Next case, dudes. Move on. Move on to the next case. Ooh, look at this color. We have a Nerf color case, bros. Let's pop this thing open. We got the Nerf yellow happening here. Maybe this isn't gonna be my go-to case. I don't know. But it definitely feels sturdy and protective for the phone. You can slide your phone quite easily into it. Check out the look. Check that out, dudes. All right, the back. The back is pretty slick and yellow. So this is that little bit of a Nerf yellow look. We also have a little thing that you can set it up on an angle and watch your stuff. I don't know, again, like I said, if I like that, but I do like the yellow. I like this square where the Apple sign logo is. I like that. That is pretty cool. I like this case, guys. I like the way it looks from the back, front. Doesn't really change too much. It has a little bit of an edge to it. Put that in the thumbs up pile, which are these three right so far. And last but not least, we have this iPhone XS case, which something that I've been looking for a while, has, check that out here, a little compartment for, oh, it slides out, for your credit card or ID. So let's slide the phone in. Definitely feels bulky. This case feels bulky. It's thicker. It's a little bit wider. Don't know if I'm a fan. From the front, phone looks pretty good. All black. Back isn't too bad either. It's got this little bit of a silverish look to it. But like I said, you slide this down and you never forget your credit card or your ID. Because with this thing, you just pop it in here. You slide it right back out. Something that I always forget is my credit card ID. So this case might come in handy. Just kind of sliding my credit card there or my photo ID. Out of the 10 cases, we have 4 that I like, which are these 4. Supreme, this Nerf yellow, the wood green, and this credit card holder case as well. So these are the 4 that I like. The 4 that I don't like are these over here. So that would include these water cases here. This girlish gold. When I saw it, I was like, oh, gold color, cool. But when it came in, don't like it. It's too girlish. This kind of isn't too bad. It's got the little bit of a lime yellow, but not a fan of it. This is too simple. This blue one is not bad, but didn't make the cut. And then this kind of case that I don't like either. So this is what we got, bros. For the 10 random iPhone cases that I got, 4 made the cut. I'm gonna be using 4 of them, 6 won't. So that's the thing, guys, 40%. You have a 40% chance of getting a proper case off of online purchase. So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. It's not over 50%, so you know, you're gonna be stuck with a case that you don't like for sure when you order online. So my bandits, I hope you like this unboxing of random iPhone cases. Let me know in the comments below what other stuff you want me to unbox next. Let me know what you thought of this video if you liked it. Let me know what you want me to unbox next. Click like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.